그럼 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going going은 언제나 너에게 going going.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vina Juliarti with NPM 22312136 from class EF 21A. In this video, I will explain the part of the CPU. Let's go!
About CPU. CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is a hardware device and functions as the main data processor in a computer. The CPU can be called the brain of the computer because the CPU regulates all activity and the running of all programs, include applications or software in IT. Okay, next part of the CPU. Number 1, casing CPU. This casing is useful for protecting the virus component contained in the CPU, so that why are better protected from dust, air, water, or the things that are very will interfere with the performance of the CPU itself. Next, motherboard. This motherboard is a place where virus, electronic, and other computer components are installed and of course can be connected to one another. The motherboard functions as a connecting medium for each computer component so that IT can communicate with other computer. Okay. Next, processor. The processor is one of the core components, or what is often referred to as the brain of the computer. All processes and commands will be carried out on the processor, even though other components still need help. Okay, next, cooler. The processor functions as a cooler and keeps the processor temperature cool and stable. Next, RAM. RAM, or random access memory, works as a place to temporarily store data that has been processed by the processor before proceeding to other components. Okay, next, hard disk. The hard disk functions to store virus data and virus operating system for a computer device itself. The CD or DVD-ROM or optical disk drive is a device that can be used to read and write cassettes or CD or DVD chips. VGA or video graphic adapter is a very important component for a computer device. This is because VGA functions as a graphic data processor before it is displayed on the monitor. Okay, next, power supply. The power supply functions as a power divider, source of electric current for each computer component. Apart from that, the power supply also functions to convert DC voltage to AC before being supplied to each component of the computer itself. As part of the CPU, sound card. Sound card functions as the audio processor for computer device. The sound card also functions as an audio processor which can convert analog signal or digital signal.
Thank you for watching and wait for the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.